All right, one more thing before we go, and that is a glimmer of hope that inflation is fading in the auto market. Used car prices, thankfully, finally on the decline. Phil LeBeau tracking it. How much are they down, Phil?
2.4% compared to last month. Now, you might be sitting there saying that doesn't sound like a whole lot, but that is a move that we have been seeing over really the last 9 months. Take a look at Edmunds and the report on used car transaction prices. And it's a little hard to see at the end, but yes, that is a decline. We're back at where they were price-wise. December of last year, just over $30,000, still well above where they were back in October of 2020. The auto dealer stocks, they're off to the races today, along with the rest of the market. Now, you've got your traditional new and used dealers like AutoNation, Group 1 Automotive, Penske Automotive, what we consider the biggest of the big auto dealers. And then you've got others who do a lot of business in the used market. They also sell new, but in the used market, you've got Lithia, Sonic, CarMax. Look at these guys. They've had a nice day today. And then there is the mystery chart that you guys showed going into the commercial break. Carvana, up more than 30% today. Heck of a move, but keep in mind, this is a heavily shorted stock. I think something like 37.5 million shares are shorted. The short float is like 39% of the outstanding shares. And while you may say, well, that's a great move today, it's down about 97% compared to where it was a year ago. So it was due for a bit of a bounce, and they're getting it today.
Well, I spent all that money on Jimmy Johnson's sponsorship at IndyCar. Phil, you referenced used car prices. Are they, and I'm asking for a friend, are they coming down at the dealerships or just like at the Mannheim auction? Is the price, is the spread,
both.
The price?
They're coming down in both places, Brian. Yeah, we're starting to see it filter through to the consumer. Not as much as I think people were hoping to see at this point, but they are trending lower. And look, by next month, they could be under $30,000 for an average transaction price.
I've been to the Mannheim Auto Auction, hard up against the Pennsylvania Turnpike, because my uncle owned a big used car dealership. When is Phil LeBeau going to be live at the Mannheim Auto Auction? We want to see that. We demand it. The people demand it.
Brian, there are fewer. I've been to them. There are fewer and fewer. Nowadays, it's the Wild West on the internet. A car comes up, you're bidding on it, along with dozens of other people around the country. And
then you're paying a couple grand to ship it from San Diego to St. Louis or whatever it is. But good news on the used car front, thankfully. Phil LeBeau, really appreciate it.